We are pumped to be giving away a T6X power tilt trailer to one lucky winner. Contractors, this trailer is a game changer for you. With the T6X, you can effortlessly haul your equipment and construction materials, saving you time and effort on the job site. Farmers, we haven't forgotten about you. This trailer is perfect for hauling your small equipment such as tractors, mowers, or utility vehicles. It's designed to make your job more efficient and convenient. The T6X also excels at vehicle recovery. Its innovative tilt mechanism eliminates the need for ramps, making loading and unloading vehicles a breeze. Whether you're a professional towing service or a dedicated off-roader, this trailer will be your ultimate companion in vehicle rescue situations. Here's an added bonus: this trailer comes equipped with drive-over fenders. This allows you to haul buggies and load wide vehicles without worrying about fender damage. You could even start your own rental business. Its durability, versatility, and ease of use make it an attractive option for customers in need of a reliable hauling solution. Stay tuned for the next video where we'll be revealing the actual giveaway trailer. Thanks for watching.